As the Senate was busy approving President Buhari's loan request, Accountability Coalition is also demanding that the Presidential Steering Committee on Coronavirus release its audit report on COVID-19 spending. The coalition at an audit meeting in Abuja says it would like to know how funds donated to the steering committee were spent. Helen Osamide Akins reports.
A report by a Nigerian newspaper reveals that the federal government, through the health minister, received a total of 141.1 billion naira from donors in 7 categories for COVID-19 intervention. From the United Nations Basket Fund, it was highlighted that Nigeria received 22.6 billion naira in donations. Covid donated 43.2 billion naira. Oil and gas industry, 21.4 billion naira. Development Partners Group on Health, 42.9 billion naira, and Covid, 4.5 billion naira. The report also noted that the federal government also received private donations to its accounts to the tune of 2 billion naira, while other donations worth 4.4 billion naira were received, making a total of 141.1 billion naira in 2020. These donations, which include technical support, were largely used for the supply of consumables, test equipment, logistic management, case management, risk communication and information management systems for the national response to COVID-19. However, adequate information on the amount of money spent were undermined. The coalition has faulted the report of the steering committee, claiming that it lacks accountability. It urges the federal government to release the audit report of the steering committee.
Auditor General, before he left, was able to send the audited reports to the National Assembly, and that has not been published. Now, we hope that this engagement today will present a veritable opportunity for us to demand for an audited report on the use of COVID-19 funds in Nigeria.
It is important that we now come back to the public for which you hold the trust of power, to tell them that this is how much we got, this is how much was appropriated, and this is how we used the money.
They also fought the Nigerian Audit Act and called for its amendment to enable independence of the country's audit office. The participants are hoping that the engagement from this meeting identify informative actions and solutions for national and sub-national governments, parliamentarians and other key stakeholders responsible for publishing an audit report in the country. Helen Osamide Akins, TVC News, Abuja.